Hello and welcome to our latest YouTube video on the Sony Xperia Cyber Shot. In this video, we will be taking an in-depth look at all of the features and specifications of this exciting new smartphone from Sony. First of all, let's talk about the camera system on the Xperia Cyber Shot. This phone is equipped with a revolutionary 300 megapixel camera, which is the highest resolution camera ever put into a smartphone. This allows you to capture incredibly detailed and high-quality photos and videos like you have never seen before. The camera also includes a number of advanced features such as super slow motion, portrait mode, and night mode. In terms of design, the Xperia Cyber Shot has a sleek and slim design, making it easy to hold and carry around with you. It also has a beautiful Full HD display that really brings your pictures and videos to life. The display measures in at 6.5 inches, giving you plenty of screen real estate to work with. In terms of performance, the Xperia Cyber Shot is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 processor, which is one of the most powerful processors available on the market. This ensures that the phone can handle even the most demanding apps and games with ease. The phone also has 8 GB of RAM, which helps to keep everything running smoothly. One of the other notable features of the Xperia Cyber Shot is its battery life. The phone is equipped with a 4000 mAh battery, which should provide you with plenty of usage time throughout the day. The phone also supports fast charging, so you can quickly top up the battery when you need to. In terms of storage, the Xperia Cyber Shot comes with 128 GB of internal storage, which should be more than enough for most people. However, if you need more space, the phone also has a microSD card slot that allows you to add an additional 1 TB of storage. In terms of connectivity, the Xperia Cyber Shot supports 5G, so you can enjoy fast and reliable internet speeds wherever you go. The phone also has a number of other connectivity options, including Bluetooth, NFC, and GPS. Overall, the Sony Xperia Cyber Shot is a powerful and feature-packed smartphone that has a lot to offer. Whether you are a photographer, a gamer, or just someone who needs a reliable smartphone for everyday use, the Xperia Cyber Shot has something for everyone. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoyed this video on the Sony Xperia Cyber Shot 300 MP camera smartphone for 2023.